super moist 1 bowl carrot cake using dehydrated carrots if you prefer. You can make cupcakes, cakes, sheet cakes, cakes without frosting. Please hit the subscribe button if you like old-timey skills, cooking from scratch, and a handmade home. My name is Jersey. Let's jump right in with both feet. Add your carrots. The ingredient list and the printable recipe will be on the blog. I will leave the link. And your raisins. Let this soak and absorb all the liquid hot water. This is water on demand right out of the tap. Let this sit while you're preparing the cake. We'll drain it and we'll add it very last. This is literally a dump and go carrot cake. Super easy. 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup sugar and raw, 1/2 cup of organic cane sugar, baking soda, baking powder, your spices, 3 eggs room temperature. Save the shells. Olive oil or any kind of oil. Some kind of milk. Splash of vanilla extract. And I'm going to give it a splash of my cinnamon shine. Now you can either beat this by hand, which I have done, or you can use the mixer. You're gonna on low, just to incorporate all the wet and dry ingredients together. This should be less than a minute. Scrape it down. Put it on high, approximately 1 minute. Drain your carrots, and raisins, push some of the liquid out. Add the well-drained carrots and raisins to the batter. Stir one more time. I hardly ever make a carrot cake with fresh carrots unless I'm out of dehydrated carrots and I am making a batch. When I go to dehydrate a batch of carrots, then that's when I'll usually make a cake. I'm going to be making 2 smaller cakes. I line them with food grade wax paper. You do not have to. I do not butter nor flour when I use wax paper. I'm going to put the timer on at 25 minutes, 350, and I'll check it every 5 minutes after that. And we are back. I'm going to show you how to make very easy cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese was sitting on the counter. I don't measure this. You can do 4 ounces, 8 ounces, splash of lemon juice, which is optional. I prefer squeezing my own lemon juice, but you do not have to. I will leave the link below to the amazing benefits of lemons. Now this is where I get out the big guns again. This is the cinnamon shine. I'll leave a link to that below. Just a splash of homemade vanilla bean extract. A couple tablespoons of homemade butter or any butter. Add a few tablespoons of milk. You'll add the milk as you see fit. You might not need a lot. Scrape it down. We are back. The cakes are all cooled down. Now remember, these pans were not greased. All I did when it was halfway cool, I put my offset knife under there and I used the wax paper as handles and removed it. Now I'm just going to remove this, put it back in the pan, to frost it. Half I'm going to add frosting and the other half I'm going to leave plain for my son. This needs to be kept in the refrigerator because it does have cream cheese, does have milk in it. That lemon really gives it a nice twang. I really like lemon and cream cheese. Very, very good. You do not have to do that. I got these pans from the thrift store last week for $1.05 a piece. If you're not into cream cheese frosting, or if you'd like to have it plain, I have a homemade vanilla bean ice cream recipe. No eggs, no churning, super easy. I will leave that link below. Thank you for stopping by today. I really appreciate you. If you could share, comment, like, subscribe, that would be awesome. And thank you for all who keep coming back.